Have you been able to analyze what is going wrong, particularly with the number of goals that Mexico has conceded, which is among the highest in the league?
No, obviously it's disappointing. Everyone's disappointed. Especially, I think, from my point of view, the amount of goals we're conceding. But it's hard to put your finger on it when you look at the goals. It's kind of a lot of it's individual errors as well, which is kind of hard to legislate for. But I think it's early in the season, and I think there's been good parts of our performances as well. Maybe we could have got better results than what we've got. I think parts of our performances in games have maybe merited more points than what we've got. But yeah, it's early in the season still. It's only 6 games in, so I think there has to be a bit of calmness and to continue. Obviously, we know we need to improve. We know we need to get the results, but we're confident with the squad we have that we can definitely do that.